Making money online is very possible, but it depends on your skills, time, resources, and how fast you need results. Here's a breakdown of some realistic ways to make money online. 1. Freelance offers services like writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, marketing, etc. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal for high-end clients. Tip: build a strong portfolio first. 2. Selling physical products. Open an Etsy shop, Amazon FBA, or eBay store. Digital products: sell templates, ebooks, stock photos, online courses. Tools is Shopify, Gumroad, Teachable, Etsy. 3. Content creation. YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, merch, memberships. TikTok, Instagram, creator funds, brand deals, affiliate marketing. Takes time to grow, but scalable once you build an audience. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission per sale. Good if you have a blog, email list, or strong social media following. Programs: Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Impact, ClickBank. 5. Remote jobs. Get hired for online customer service, virtual assistant, data entry, marketing, tech jobs, etc. Sites: We Work Remotely, Remote.so, Angel List Talent, Flex Jobs. 6. Investment. Stocks. Dividend investing or trading requires some capital. Crypto: high risk, not recommended unless you really study it. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest small amounts. 7. Online tutoring or teaching. Teach English, math, coding, music, or anything you know. Sites: VIP Kid, OutSchool, Preply, Superprof. 8. Writing and publishing. Self-published books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing's KDP. Start a blog and monetize with ads, Google AdSense, sponsorships, or affiliate links. 9. Surveys and microtasks, low pay. Paid surveys, app testing, or simple tasks. Platforms: Swagbucks, user testing, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Good for pocket money, not a full income. Important warning: watch out for scams. If something sounds too good to be true, earn $1,000 a day doing nothing, it usually is. Real online income either takes skill, foresight, or initial investment, sometimes all three. Would you like me to suggest some beginner-friendly ideas based on how much time and money you have? If yes, tell me. How much time you can commit weekly? Any skills you already have: writing, design, social media, coding, etc. If you have any starting money, even $50 or $100.